Curious about how we ensure your high-quality parts? At RPWORLD, the strict quality control flow is found throughout the manufacturing process, and the advanced inspection equipment are applied from incoming materials to your finished goods. Our incoming quality control inspection is to verify the material before production begins. The XRF analyzer is used to detect elements of material in a non-destructive way. In addition, infrared carbon and sulfur analyzer analyzes the carbon and sulfur content of steel and alloy by heating the samples. All those methods detect the elements of materials to ensure the quality from beginnings. First article inspection is critical in our manufacturing. The dimensions, including hole diameters, wall thickness, and colors, etc., will be inspected during FAI and written in reports. Various measuring instruments will help meet your exact specifications. Our input process quality during manufacturing is sampling inspection, which monitors the production and guarantees the product quality. RPWORLD has the outgoing quality control for final part inspection, and the precision measuring instruments play a vital role in this step. In our climate-controlled metrology room, CMM, as precision as FormU is used to ensure complex geometries with tight tolerances, and automatic image measuring instrument can be used for accurate 2D measurements of batch of parts. In addition, colorimeter, pin gauge, and more are used to ensure parameters of your parts. All inspected parameters will be recorded in reports. And as an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer, we believe this traceability is one of the cornerstones for manufacturing. Ready for your next projects? Contact us now!